What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2020 Porsche Carrera S, brand new car with 45 miles. Yes, 45 miles. So if you guys haven't seen part 1 through 3, I'll put a link in description so you guys can check it out, how much we bought the car, what the damage is, and the whole repair. So this is the last video, part 4. This video we're gonna put the car back together, wash, detail, and the car is ready for delivery. And I want to say big thank you to you guys for watching the videos. If you guys watched the whole entire rebuild, thank you guys so much. You guys are just a bunch of rock star. And if you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new video. And guys, don't worry, I got another build lined up right after this one. So don't go nowhere. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. Man, look how nice it looks on the sun. Boom, perfect paint job. Color matches on point, super happy. So we could start putting the car back together. Let's grab the keys from the Porsche, this is it. Let's pull this bad boy inside and start putting it back together. Look at this beauty. Boom, 45 miles on the car, brand new car. Still smells like a brand new car, I love it. So let's pull this bad boy in and start working on it. Let's put it in drive. See, they changed it, now it's like a joystick. And we're good to go. Got the Porsche in the shop, we can start putting it together. So we'll start with the back end and work our way to the front. So here's the rear bumper. And then here's all the goodies. Tail lights, look how small the tail lights compared to the other ones. And then this whole big piece. And some screws. So let the fun begin. Let's go guys, let's do this. Woo! Just installed the bumper, tail lights, so the back end is completely done. So now we're moving on to the wheel. I gotta install the fender liners in the back. So let's take a look. Yeah, we got some new fender liners for the back. So I'm gonna install that right now. And then we'll jump on the door and work our way up. That's it, just installed the fender liner, so now we could jump on the door, and let me show you what we're gonna do first. So we're gonna install the door handle first, the mirror, the molding, and then for the final door panel, and we'll jump on the front end. That is it, my friends. Put the door together, everything works perfectly fine. Let's check it out. So mirror, door handle, molding installed, and everything up here. So everything is good. So now we'll jump on the front end. First we're gonna install the headlight and then the bumper, and we're officially finished with this build. That is it, my friends. We're finished with the Porsche. Man, it came out good. Perfect, like nothing ever happened. Next, we're gonna wash and detail the car, and it's pretty much ready for delivery. We just got the car back from the dealer. They did the final reset, so nothing on the cluster. The car drives amazing. Let's take her for a little test drive. Boom, so nothing on the cluster. The car drives amazing. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. Brand new car. That's it, car is ready for delivery. Gotta let the customer know your brand new car is good to go. Come pick it up. He's gonna be super happy. Let's see how quick this thing is. We'll do a little full send. It's fast. 0 to 100 real quick. Yeah, car drives amazing, ready for delivery. So we got Johnny in the house and he's gonna wash and detail the Porsche and it's pretty much good to go. What's up, Johnny? Another one for the books? Yeah, he cleaned the inside already, so now he's just gonna wash it, wax it, and the car is good to go. Officially finished with Porsche and it's ready for delivery, so customer is gonna be super happy. Pretty much he has a brand new car, 45 miles on the clock. Crazy. We'll end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!